Our veterans served us, and now it's the time for us to help them get a VA loan. I'm Elvira Rodrigues with Service First Mortgage in Richardson, Texas, the Davenport team. VA loans are intended to help not only veterans, but it's also intended to help some other classes of military personnel who are eligible for a VA loan. So who is eligible for a VA loan then? Here's a list. Active duty service persons, members of the National Guard, reservists, surviving spouses of a veteran, cadets at the U.S. Military Air Force or Coast Guard Academy, midshipmen at the U.S. Naval Academy, officers at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. In order for you to get a VA loan, we need to order a COE, which is Certificate of Eligibility. I can do that for you here, so you don't have to bother with it. The only thing I need is a DD-214 form, your VA form. A VA loan is not like the other loans which require a down payment or mortgage insurance. VA loan is 100% financing and there is no monthly mortgage insurance. You have, though, the upfront guarantee fee. A veteran is eligible for a VA home loan benefits if he or she served in one of the military branches after September 15, 1940 and was discharged under conditions that was not dishonorable. There are some requirements, though. A greater length of service is required for veterans enlisted after September 7, 1980 or entered service as an officer after October 16, 1981. These veterans must have completed either 24 continuous months of active duty or the full period of which called or ordered to active duty but not less than 90 days of wartime or 181 days continuous of peacetime. Also eligible for VA loan are those who served 6 years in the reserves or National Guard, or if you are the spouse of a service member who was killed in the line of duty. The VA certificate does not guarantee your loan approval. You still have to qualify through the regular VA guideline programs. The VA certificate, though, tells the lender if you are eligible to get a VA loan. The guarantee part on the VA means that the VA will promise repayment of that loan in case that the borrower defaults. You don't have to have perfect credit to get a VA loan. We can still do it for you as long as you have a 620 credit score. We just have to write explanation letters and go through the whole process, but I will help you on that. Top benefits of a VA mortgage. Number 1, no money down. This is the only mortgage out there besides a USDA Rural Development mortgage that does not require money down. Number 2, no PMI, private mortgage insurance. It's an insurance policy you have to have attached to your mortgage when you do not put a down payment of at least 20%, unless, of course, you go VA. There are some common misconceptions about VA mortgages. First, the VA is financing your mortgage. That's not true. VA is insuring your mortgage against default. Number 2, VA mortgages are the most difficult programs to qualify for. That's not true either. VA mortgages are fairly simple and can be the most flexible. Number 3, VA mortgage takes months to close. Again, not true. VA mortgage can be closing as little as 2 to 4 weeks. Number 4, the VA pays your closing cost. Again, not true. Even though it's 100% financing, you still have closing costs to be paid, which can be paid by the buyer or seller. Typical closing costs average from $5,000 to $6,000. So give me a call today, Elvira Rodrigues, Service First Mortgage, the Davenport team at 469-855-1625.